In today's video, I'll show you on how you can uninstall OBS plugin. So if we navigate through our OBS right here, click on tools, we will be able to see all of the plugins installed through the application on OBS. Now there is no direct way on uninstalling these plugins, but what we can do is to navigate through files, navigate through this PC, and then you want to look for your program files. This is going to be inside the C folder. Click on program files, and then you want to open up the OBS Studio folder. Click on OBS plugin, 64-bit, and basically this is where we'll find all of our OBS plugin. You want to specifically find your plugin files resembling that specific plugin. As of the moment, I don't have any plugin installed, but I have an example right here opened up. For example, I installed the Streamlabs plugin, and all of its files is the SL folder or file name. So in here, I proceeded to delete all of the files resembling the plugin, and from there you will be able to completely remove this plugin right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.